I'm going to show you how to add sound to Google Slides. Now, adding audio to your presentation can definitely help take it to the next level, and thankfully it's not difficult at all to be able to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is actually upload the sound that you want to use to your Google Drive, and the way you can do that is by going to drive.google.com, and what you're going to actually do is see your Google Drive, and you can go to your wherever you have your file downloaded that you want to upload. So for example, I have this sound right here and I want to upload that to my Google Drive, so I can actually just drag it over and it will go ahead and upload. And as you can see, it's pretty quick, and you can see my file just popped up right here now. So I can close out of Google Drive, go back into Google Slides, and now let's say this is the slide that I want to add sound to. So I simply just go over to Insert on the ribbon right up here, click Insert, and scroll down to Audio and click on that. It will actually go ahead and automatically under the Recent tab usually show you a file that you just uploaded, and if you don't see it here, you can actually click My Drive and it will show you from there as well. So I'll just select the actual sound I want to be added to my presentation and hit that button here, and it's going to it's going to take a second, and you see that it popped up right up here. And so it'll actually give you a couple options on the right side about the playback for your audio. And so what you can either do is you can have it start playing on click, which is when you get to the slide, you actually have to click the play button for the sound to start playing. Or what you can actually do is have it start playing automatically. So whenever you get to the slide, it will automatically start playing and you don't have to click any of the buttons. You can also select that you want it to stop on slide change. So when you go to the next slide, the sound will stop playing. Another option is like loop audio. Like for example, for me, the sound that I have is like a game show waiting sound, and that's the sound that I know I can loop. So I can go ahead and select that. And then finally, some other options here that you see as well, like volume and so on. And now, while you won't be able to hear the sound I have on my slide just because my screen recording isn't set up that way, I simply am going to leave it the way it is, and I can go ahead and press the play and pause button whenever I want to play or pause the sound on my presentation. But hopefully this was helpful to you, and this will show you how you can go ahead and add sound to Google Slides. Now, if you have any other questions or anything you're unsure about, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you with an answer. And other than that, if you did enjoy this video and if it was helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.